In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur a face or part of an image in Krita. So you start by selecting this selection tool. It's called polygon selection. I will be blurring just the face part, so I will start by selecting the face. So I will just select exactly the face part. And this should be right here, and then after you close it right here, now to blur the face you go to filters and then go down to blur and click on blur. Now you should have these options. You can just slide it and increase the blur. As you can see, if you decrease it you get less blur. I'm gonna keep it like this, or just like this. See how good this, you can even have a preview what it looks like before and after. So you click OK, and then you remove the selection by simply clicking the deselect. So you should just deselect, and now you basically have a face that is blurred, and you can do this to anything, like any object if you want. If you found this video helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.